Hi, my name is Anae Minowski, and I will be showing you my project about wind power. My question, can a wind turbine charge a battery? Yes, no, maybe so. My hypothesis, wind power can recharge a rechargeable battery. My experiment, put your blades and base together. Connect a generator with the parts. 3. Put the rechargeable battery in the generator. 4. Leave the wind turbine to do as it shall. 4. My observation. We did the experiment at my house at 10:36, and then a couple of hours at 6:26, not in the morning, and the next day at 9 p.m. The battery was fully charged, and it lasted long.
Good job.
My conclusion. We can conclude that the rechargeable battery was fully charged after 24 hours or so, or more.
Show us how it works.
I'm not sure there's a lot of wind power, but it's supposed to, the battery goes in here. And I have my battery tester. And after charging it, it needed to be a little bit more charged because it said it needed to be replaced. But these batteries that were charged over a while say that they were good. Yeah, good. Shucks. And yeah. That's wind power.
Thank you.